Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today's video is going to be a super satisfying organizing video. This video was much needed. I needed to clean out my fridge, my freezer, and organize my pantry for a long time, and I've just been kind of avoiding it. But today I finally tackled it, and I felt so good after I was finally done with it all. The first thing I did was pull everything out of the door of my fridge, checked expirations, got rid of anything that was expired. Thankfully, there were only 2 things I think that were expired, so I'm doing pretty good about keeping on top of things and making sure I'm eating everything and things aren't going bad. Then I went through and wiped the door down. As you can see, it was disgusting. I don't know how it collects so much yucky stuff. But either way, I wiped all of that down and then I added it back into the door, and then I went ahead and pulled everything out of the main fridge and wiped it all down. I don't like doing this often because I do leave my fridge open for an extended period of time, but I try to do it in little sections so that it doesn't stay open the whole time. But it felt so good once I was done because it just looked so much better.
Small town, big crowd, and there you were in front of me. Small talk, big thoughts, all we wanted was to escape. This sounds too small for dreams like this. Don't wanna settle down, don't wanna miss out on adventures, things we haven't seen. Take my hand and follow me. could run with you. And from what I have heard, you do the same thing too. I wanna say forever, we could be good together. Guess misery loves company. Better too late than never. You know we could do better. So take a chance and run with me. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels.
I like to put little baskets in my fridge to hold different snacks for the girls, just so they are easy, quick grab and go snacks. Also, it kind of just keeps the fridge more organized that way. So I have a bin that has their juices in it. There's another bin that has string cheese and other types of cheeses in it. Just quick grab and go snacks. And it really helps keep the fridge organized.
We could be good together. Guess misery loves company.
I also love putting my drinks back in my fridge because I can put them all facing outwards and sort of in a line. It just looks like a grocery store and it just makes me feel so good.
Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we'll turn.
Then I went through and did the same thing with the freezer. I pulled everything out of the freezer, wiped it all down, and then I actually took an inventory of everything that I had. I wrote down a list of everything that was in the freezer so that I could plan out some meals so that I can utilize and use all of the stuff that's in the freezer. Sometimes I forget the stuff that's been shoved to the very back of the freezer, so it's good for me to just clean it out, do an inventory, and kind of just rotate through things so that things actually get eaten.
People come and people go through high streets we know. Dark and light, day and night. No one knows what the future will bring. All or nothing. Gotta mean something when you're misunderstood. Gotta mean something when you're up to no good. Misunderstood, this firewood keeps me sane. Like the teeth from my neck on my gold chain. Misunderstood, I'm no victim, no Robin Hood. Hang them teeth round my neck on my gold chain. My goals and my dreams gonna rescue me.
Then I moved on to the pantry that has been neglected for far too long. I've slowly just started shoving more and more stuff in this little area without any sort of organization at all. So it felt so good to pull everything out, reorganize it, put it all back in baskets, and make it look so much prettier. Since I don't have any pantry doors, I like to have this area as organized as possible just so it's aesthetically pleasing.
My goals and my dreams gonna rescue me. Like the teeth around my neck on my gold chain. My goals and my dreams gonna rescue me. God, I mean something when you're misunderstood. God, I mean something when you're up to no good. Misunderstood, this firewood keeps me sane. Like the teeth from my neck on my gold chain. Misunderstood, I'm no victim, no Robin Hood. Hang them teeth around my neck on my gold chain.
Throw your things away tonight, we'll go a different way, you and me. Tell your friends that this might take some time and you'll be back another day. I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far, so far away. Baby, let's go far, so far, you and me. Let's dance the night away, we're locked together far away, you and me. We'll have a celebration too.
Just looking at those drinks on that shelf makes me so happy.
See us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far, so far away. Baby, let's go far, so far, you and me.
And I decided to get the full effect. I would do a before and after sort of side by side so that you guys could see what they looked like before and then right after what it looked like after. So that is the fridge, and then you'll see the freezer and then my pantry. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope this gave you guys some organization motivation as well as cleaning motivation to kind of get you through the week. It is Monday, so Motivation Monday. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. And I will talk to you guys in a couple days. Bye.
Oh baby.
trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was.